Okay, tubers, I pulled this axle out on the driver's side, and again, very little oil coming out, but the bearings are fine, there's no sound. That's just the back braking plate rubbing. Anyhow, what I'm going to do is put the axles back in, and yeah, put the axles back in. I'm not going to fill it full of grease yet because, like I said, we're going to take that apart, and actually what I'm going to do is weld the living piss out of it and turn it into a sure grip. A redneck sure grip. So for the meantime, I'm going to throw them tires back on it because, yeah, these tires keep going flat and I can't even never notice. Yeah, I tell y'all what, Full White Trash Man, we need to pick us up a sponsor on this truck. Yeah. Maybe some tire fella or something? I don't know. Oh yeah. Be nice to have a good hookup on tires, wouldn't it? Oh, heck yeah. Anyhow. Yeah, so now we're going to throw this all together. It pretty much goes together, self-explanatory, same as it came apart. Except for usually it goes back together easier. And then we're going to move to the front end, and personally, I've never torn a Dana 60 apart. And as you can tell, I got both shop doors open and I kind of got the trucks blocking me in here. And the Full White Trash Man, we was out here working and I noticed somebody's feet go by. And then I seen them go back by. Oh yeah. And then I stood up in here and somebody hollered at Full White Trash Man. Ask Full White Trash Man. Started talking about Dodge trucks. Well, heck yeah, that gets the attention of Full White Trash Man. Then ask Full White Trash Man, me, if I've got a truck for sale. I was like, I don't know. Maybe. Yeah, maybe. Maybe a half-ton full drive? Oh yeah, because Full White Trash Man, we just don't like the half-ton trucks. Yeah. But, yeah. I'll best get back at it. Okay, tubers. Yeah, this is brake clean for cleaning parts, brakes actually. Got this rear end together, mostly. And now I'm going to show you how I prep this so I can weld it, because everybody knows if you got grease and stuff on something, it ain't going to weld good. And I spray it down with this here brake clean real well, because this stuff, yeah, CRC, this stuff works awesome for getting oil and grease off of stuff. I mean, you can't beat it. And hopefully it'll all run out and dry out by the time tomorrow comes around when I go to weld this up. Okay, this is what they call an open rear end. What I am going to do is I'm going to put a tack in that corner and a tack in that corner, and then I'm going to spin it around, and then it'll spin this whole thing here. It will actually spin this around, and then I'm going to put a good tack in that corner and a good tack in that corner. Then what I'm going to do is take a piece of flat stock steel, cut it down to fit in here, and then I want to weld that sunbuck solid. And what's that do? Well, that flat stock steel welded in there solid like that makes it so literally when it breaks, it's going to break the whole dang thing. A lot of people, when they derby, they just weld like right here, right there, right there, and right there. Well, this is all weak right here, these teeth, and that's what will break. When I stick this flat steel stock in, it actually goes in here and I'll be able to weld. Yeah, I know, you can't see very well, but I'll be able to weld right there. And it's not on the teeth. Yeah. So, clean all this grease off really, really well. Because everybody knows that you ain't going to get a good penetration with grease on it. And yeah, CRC. Yay, CRC. Okay. That is pretty much done. Now I got to wait and let it dry. And as you can see, I got the dry shaft out. That's why I can turn this so easily, and it turns the whole thing. See, when it will be welded, this whole thing will spin. Thus will cause both tires to spin in the same direction. Being like this with the spider gears, you only got power on one tire. See? And the other one's not even moving. That is what we're going to fix. Yeah. Yay! Anyhow, I just thought I'd give you a quick clip of this because our friend, your friend, everybody's friend, Nick, he says he ain't never seen the inside of a rear end before. You know what I say about that? He's lying because we know he saw the inside of somebody's rear end before. Tubers, as you can see, I got that center cleaned real well, and yeah, now I'm fixing to weld it. Let's see if I can't set this up somewhere where we won't destroy it. This is what we're going to weld it with. Yeah, steel plates.